Hello everyone, Brandon Montemayor here with Montemayor Associates, your number one real estate resource. So we're back and wanted to chat with you about a question we get asked a lot, all right? And that's one of the biggest, I think, misconceptions when it comes to buying a home. And it, I think, affects a lot of buyers out there because they have this thought that you need at least 20% down or you need this huge down payment to buy. They end up not asking us the right question and end up waiting, which could cause them time because price is going up, interest rates going up. So we want to answer that question. Do I need 20% down to buy? What's the deal? So let's jump right in. All right, so for buyers, you do not need 20% down to buy. 20% is a great number to have because when you get the loan, there's no PMI or mortgage insurance, which protects the loan. Just because the more money you put down by the banks, you look to be a safer buyer because there's more equity in the house to back that up. But no, we have loans as low as 3%, 3.5%, 5%, 10%, you name it. So all the way down to as low as 3%. And there's also 0% down for VA buyers. So military, if you have that, let us know and we can check into that to see if you qualify for a VA loan. All right, so there's a few other things we wanted to bring up. So interest rates, everything that we're looking at right now, all of the quote-unquote experts, but again, across the board, all of them are expecting interest rates to still stay low. All right, and that's coming from groups as reputable as like Freddie Mac. So those are ones who've had a great track record and are in the know of what's going on. So with interest rates still staying low and prices, again, continuing to grow, now's the time to consider getting off the sidelines and looking at what type of down payment you have. And even if you don't feel like you have enough, give us a call. Let us walk you through that to see if you qualify, or worst case scenario, get your qualifications done and find out what you need to accomplish in the near future in order to qualify for the purchase price you want. One of the other questions that we get is retirees. They think they can't move because, hey, I don't have an income. I've been retired for X amount of years. But lenders are able to look at Social Security dividends, pensions, interest on different accounts that you have, and factor all of that in addition to the equity. And the other thing we hear is we don't want to lose our property tax base. So there's ways to roll that property tax base with you and not be stuck in the same house if you don't want to be there. All right, so a lot of different options. Anything, like we said, from low down payments to creative financing to get you where you need to go. All right, and then one final thing before we let you go, a little PSA, if you will. We ran into a few things recently where families have not had homes in trust accounts, all right? Someone in the family passes or something happens, all right? And then the family gets left with the house. Maybe payments haven't been made, maybe something's going wrong, but in any case, you end up then having to go through a whole long and rough and again, just a not fun probate court process in order to get things freed up so that the family can sell the house, get everything satisfied, and get everything moved on to whoever it belongs to at that point. So if there's anything we strongly recommend, right, is have that tough conversation either with your parents, aunts, uncles, family members, friends, even kids, neighbors, doesn't matter. Make sure, no matter what age you are, that your properties are in a trust, right? And if you have any questions, you need to know who to talk to, give us a call. But again, a lot of money, time, and energy lost when those extra little steps are not taken. So if you have any questions, you know where to find us. Give us a call, and we look forward to hearing from you and going to work for your family. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.